Electric spin scrubbers have become essential tools for anyone looking to reduce elbow grease and protect joints while cleaning tough grime in bathrooms, kitchens, and beyond. The category blends cordless convenience, water resistance, and interchangeable heads to tackle surfaces ranging from ceramic tile to glass.
List number 1. 2U Electric Spin Scrubber. 2U presents a 450 RPM max cordless scrubber with a 2-speed motor, IPX7 waterproofing, a USB-C fast charge, and an LED battery display. It ships with 4 brush heads, hard flat, corner, small flat, pointed, plus an extendable stainless steel handle that ranges from 26 to 45 inches. The inclusion of an LCD battery readout and fast charging are standout convenience features in this mid-range price tier. Performance-wise, the dual speeds, 350 RPM, 450 RPM, enable a quick sweep clean for daily maintenance and a faster cycle for tougher grime. The IPX7 rating supports direct water exposure on the unit, though not submersion of the entire handle, which is practical for shower stalls and tile grout. In real-world use, the 2-pound weight and extended reach help users avoid bending, while the 4 brush heads cover broad surface areas and narrow crevices. Battery life is indicated via LED, which aids planning during longer cleaning sessions. Users reported improved speed versus traditional brushes, particularly when paired with cleaning agents. Potential drawbacks include the absence of a swiveling head for certain corners and a mid-range.
List number 2. Electric Spin Scrubber. Bombvest pitches a robust package with 8 brush heads, a triple-length adjustable handle, 12, 43, 54 inches, and a 5,000 mAh battery delivering up to 90 minutes runtime. It uses dual-speed control, 300 RPM and 400 RPM, and highlights a protected design that permits light water exposure, though the handle should not be fully submerged. The design emphasizes reach and versatility, suitable for bathrooms, kitchens, and glass surfaces. In use, the 3-length extension and long reach reduce bending and facilitate cleaning high areas or large tiled floors without kneeling. The 90-minute runtime is competitive for the price range, and the 8 heads give good coverage for grout, corners, flat surfaces, and windows. The battery and charging cycle are solid, though the product notes cautioned against fully immersing the entire unit. Users should rely on quick dip rinsing rather than soaking. Weight is distributed toward the head, so operators may notice tip when fully extended. The 2 speeds provide a balance between gentler scrubbing and deeper cleaning, but some users may desire a higher rotation speed for stubborn grime.
List number 3. Electric Spin Scrubber Upgraded Battery with Extra Long Runtime. iFeet positions this as a premium, long-handled, cordless option with an IPX7 rating, USB-C charging, and a beefy 100-minute runtime on a single charge. It ships with 7 brush heads to tackle corners, grout, tile, glass, cars, and more. The 2-speed control, 280 RPM and 360 RPM, is designed for everyday cleaning and deeper scrubbing without sacrificing handle length. Real-world performance shows the extended reach reduces the need to bend and kneel across multiple cleaning scenarios. The 42-inch total height and adjustable extension help users reach high ceilings or tall shower niches. The kit's breadth of heads, including a soft brush for delicate surfaces and a stiff variant for heavy grime, enables a one-stop solution for kitchens, bathrooms, and even automotive tasks. Battery life and fast USB-C charging are strong selling points for a premium model. A potential drawback for some is the higher price point and slightly heavier weight, which may be noticeable when using the tool for extended periods.
List number 4. NBONEBS Electric Spin Scrubber. NBONEBS offers a 25W motor with 400 to 480 RPM dual speeds, a 3000 mAh battery delivering up to 120 minutes runtime, and a 14 to 47.2-inch extendable aluminum handle. The kit includes 6 brush heads plus a pad driver designed for floor, tile, tub, and car cleaning. Its slim form factor and long reach are emphasized as simplifying deep cleaning without kneeling. In practice, the combination of weight, about 2 pounds for the unit, and a powerful yet quiet motor yields steady scrubbing with minimal fatigue. The broad head options, round, flat, corner, sponge for windows cover most common surfaces, and the IPX7 sealing supports water exposure on attachments. A potential caveat is the presence of only 1-pound brush heads and the instruction to avoid fully submerging the unit, which may affect cleaning in very wet areas. Some users may prefer more ergonomic grip at the top of the handle for longer sessions.
List number 5. Electric Spin Scrubber. PUTEM targets value-conscious buyers with a 6-head kit, 2 speeds, and a battery-level display. It promises up to 180 minutes of runtime on a 2.5-hour charge and emphasizes a lightweight form factor at 14.1 ounces. The unit includes a USB-C charging option and is IPX7 waterproof, making it suitable for bathrooms and kitchens where splashes are common. In use, the 350/400 RPM speeds provide adequate scrubbing for routine maintenance and deeper cleaning tasks. The battery-level display helps prevent mid-cleanouts, which is a practical feature for users with larger projects. The 7.08 by 3.14 by 16.73-inch footprint keeps it compact, but some users may wish for more robust torque at the lower cost. The included 6 heads cover bathrooms, windows, dishes, and car wheels, making it a versatile beginner to intermediate option. Potential drawbacks include the reliance on a mid-tier battery and the absence of a dedicated corner head among a few more premium alternatives.